Imagine a world where you can make money using Google Translate without spending a dime or building your own website. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. This method works from anywhere in the world, and I'm here to show you how. First things first, let's open up Google Translate. You can find it by searching on Google. With this powerful tool, you can translate any language to any other language instantly. Whether it's Spanish to English or vice versa, it's all at your fingertips. Now let me share a little secret with you. There's a lucrative strategy that many, including myself, are using to earn big bucks. We're running faceless YouTube channels in various languages, raking in thousands of dollars monthly from ad revenue alone. And guess what? You can do it too. Here's how it works. You find popular English language videos in niches like tech reviews, product unboxings, or tutorials. These videos have already proven their appeal to audiences, making them ideal candidates for translation. Next, you translate their titles, descriptions, and scripts into another language like Spanish, French, or German. This opens up a whole new audience eager for content in their native tongue. Don't worry if you're not fluent in multiple languages. You can use ChatGPT, an AI-powered tool, to generate scripts or hire a skilled scriptwriter on platforms like Fiverr. With ChatGPT, you can ensure accurate translations without breaking a sweat. Once you have your translated scripts ready, it's time to set up your YouTube channel. Pick a catchy name related to your content, like Tech Futuro for tech-related content or Cocina Creativa for cooking channels. Then, create a profile picture and channel art using tools like Canva. Customize them to fit your brand and language preference. Now, upload your translated videos and watch the views roll in. But remember, originality is key. Make sure to tweak the content to suit your audience and avoid copyright issues. And that's it. With a bit of creativity and the power of Google Translate, you can tap into global audiences and turn your YouTube channel into a money-making machine. So, what are you waiting for? Start translating and earning today. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.